Good morning, fellas, folks. How are we going on this Saturday morning? Yeah, just going to be going into Great Yarmouth today. I don't know what's happened to the weather. It's gone a bit cloudy. It wasn't really nice this morning. It woke up, it's all of a sudden gone cloudy. So yeah, I've been given the leash, let off the leash today, so I can. I'm gonna have a day up in Yarmouth. I was going to go film all down the beach, a few spots, but I've got to go into the town centre first. I've got to grab myself a micro SD card. Because foolishly me, I left one of my micro SD card, what goes into my drone, at home. So we're going to get it out yesterday and do some bit of overhead footage of the beach, but I looked and there was no SD card in there, so I couldn't get no footage. So first thing when I get into Great Yarmouth is to go into the town centre. We'll take a look at some shops in the town centre, sites. Then we'll head on down to the seafront. So we've just landed in Yarmouth. Just got off a bus. That was a packed old bus, that were. Standing only. But yeah, I just landed. So actually I thought it was going to get off at the bus station. Oh, it's just started raining. Oh dear, that's not good news for my pocket free, is it? Hope it don't chuck it down. Should be okay. Just felt a spit of rain then, but we should be okay, I think. Yeah, we've just got off obviously Britannia Piers over there, so we're just going to make his way up to the town centre. A new memory card, obviously, I said before. Get some water, something for dinner maybe, but I might just get something around town, like some chips or something a bit later on, because I'm going to be doing quite a bit of walking around Great Yarmouth. But we'll have a look. We'll walk Regent Street. That's quite a quirky street, ain't it, if you like your normal seaside towny sort of stuff.
I'm a hot mess. I'm always running behind and coming up short. She jumps out of bed, looking fresh off the cover of Rolling Stone. The way she moves cuts through the blue. She's got a touch that takes me somewhere new. I can't fight the pull and she's got control.
Regent Street, folks. Loads of quirky and different kind of shops. Your normal seaside town shops, like rock shops, weirdy kind of clothing shops and stuff like that. We're going to wait for this road to go, and we're going to go into the town centre now, get some bits and bobs and the like. So yeah, let's go into the town centre, see what shops are around town centre. just food stores in there. Got a phone store there. I don't
You can
think.
go for that one then, if you're looking
Is
for
that the... I don't really like that.
Looking for something like a B&M or something like that. See, I went in there. There's food stalls in there. Just looking somewhere where I can pick up an SD card. There's nowhere. Have a look at this side of the road. Have a look. You can take a look in Poundland. Town centre bus and managed to just bag myself a SD card in the final shop. Found a W8 Smiths and picked up one from there, but anywhere else there's nowhere. Couldn't pick one up. But yeah, let's go and check the beach, shall we?